Tingnan ninyo. Yan. Luto nila. Brother, what is this? Huh? Beef? So it's not sweet. Not sweet. Not sweet. Yan. O yan, ano natin. Dito sa may kadenso, dami nilang sauce. Yahoo! Ayan na, yan siya. Yan. I will show you. Just watch in my YouTube, ha? Cadence always with me. And this one, what is this?
This one is a click code.
What's that?
It's a mini egg something.
Something, how much?
Egg.
How
It's a
much?
3 real, sorry.
3 real each? Can
Inside
you
egg.
give me 2 pieces? Try natin mga kapatid. Pagkain mga Indiano yan. Yan o. Yan o. 3.
3 pieces.
Ano, kalas 2. And give me, what is this?
It's a beef. It's a beef.
Beef? Okay, give me also. How much that one?
It's a 1 piece 3 real.
So, I don't like to eat too much. Just give me 2. 2 pieces only.
It's a 1 piece 3 real.
1 piece 3 real. Okay, give me 2 pieces. Guys, tikman natin ang mga luto nila yan. Dito sa may Indian. Two piece. Yeah. And give this one how much?
This one?
Yeah.
So sweet.
Sweet?
Yeah.
No problem, put it. I want
It's
to
a
try.
black sugar something. Coconut.
Black sugar and coconut. Give me one.
One only?
Yes, just try. Maybe if you will give me free also. Hi, Shams. I will try your food here. Huh? Yeah, and then I don't like sambusa. I'm already fed up in sambusa. And this one, what is this?
Potato with the chicken.
No, this one, what is this?
This one? It's
Yeah.
onion fried.
Oh, give me also. How much per order?
It's a 2 real, 3 real.
Just give me 3.
3 real.
Yeah. Yan, sa putur. Tikman natin yan isa-isa. This is for our putur. Why too much? Don't give me too much. And then,
Chili. Up to.
and give me this one also, 2 pieces.
This one?
Yeah.
It's a
What?
potato chicken.
Chicken, 2 pieces. Ngayon, ang ano putur natin ay Indian ano natin, putur. Just say, Assalamualaikum Ramadan Karim. Yan. Ayan. Just after this one, I will load it in YouTube, huh? Yeah, and this one, what is this?
This is a pocket shawarma. Inside chicken, vegetable mix.
How much one?
One is a 3 real.
Okay, give me one also.
Okay.
Guys, this is not free. They don't give me free at all. So what is that one? It is also, this is the sauce or what? Juice?
This one is a mango juice.
Mango
it's a 80
juice.
real, 3 big glasses.
I don't like sweet too much. Enough.
No, it's made of sugar.
No problem. So count it how much? Mine? Tingnan natin magkano yung ano natin. Tingnan mo, ganda ng ano nila. Oh, Ramadan. Oh, boss. This is the boss here. Yeah, the owner of Cadence. Hello. Hindi naman ako bibigyan ng ano. Natin magkano ano ko ngayon. Magkano naman ang ano ko dito. Yan o. Oh, ang dami nilang ano. Nagtaka ako bakit maraming nagpila-pila. Yung pala dahil dito sa how much all? Ha? 24? I will pay there, ha? I will give cash. 24. There is no extra? No no only silly you give me free. Harabit. Tayo ay sarap ng hangin, guys. Dahin Ramadan ma fi hadiah shada into bas kida lazim fulus او lazim hadiah شوف في هدية كثير من كادنس ايه ده بخيل هندي بخيل هندي بخيل. You know that one? Indian never give hadiah. Yeah, that's why. This is not free. You know that one because you are Indian. You are bakhil also. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Ako'y uwi na. Nakipagbiruan muna tayo dito. Siyempre mga kaibigan na natin ang mga nandito.